Someone once told me that if you were to tell someone your dream and if they don't laugh at it, then it's not big enough. I mean, dream big or go home, right? I believe I'm a very passion-driven person and that there are some risks that are worth taking no matter how big they are. It can be very scary to pursue your dreams, and it's not always going to be easy, and sometimes it may seem impossible. But just be confident and don't let anyone tell you what you can or cannot do. I believe that women should have equal rights as well as an equal voice. Individuality is more celebrated in this day and age, and that's a really good thing, and hopefully things will keep changing and people can be who they are and who they want to be. I am Sandra Riley Tang.